going on, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to another Tesla video. Yes, we are doing Tesla videos every time we are driving, just so you know it's a Tesla video. Ignore the steering wheel, guys. Anyway, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we've got a very interesting one because I'm going to show you guys a new way to unlock your Tesla, and this is a way that I myself did not even think was possible, and it's one of the easiest things you could have if you want to unlock your Tesla, and I'm actually wearing it. I am, of course, talking about the Tesla key ring. Now, I am a guy that likes to wear rings. I am not someone that is shy from wearing rings, but I will be honest with you, and I will be honest with all of you and say that, you know, key rings I thought was a little bit of a gimmick. Not gonna lie to you guys, I thought that that was a very basic gimmick, but after using it and really taking the time to use it and really actually even just wearing it as a ring, I actually really enjoy it. It's one of the more convenient ways to open your door if you don't want to carry around the key card, especially if you're already using your phone or your Apple Watch. But also, if I'm being honest with you, it's just a very simple solution. Now, of course, this does come to us from a brand new company called Tesstudio. I want to thank them for being a part of today's episode on Technoid. This is their first time being on the channel, and I appreciate them for reaching out, and I appreciate them for being a part of today's video. Now we got that out of the way, essentially the Tesla keyring is as you thought it would be. It is just your average ring that has an NFC built in, or a sensor that uses to unlock the key, just like the regular key cards, but in the form of a ring. Now, the ring itself is actually very high quality. They come in multiple different sizes. You should always try to make sure whenever you are using these kinds of products, you want to make sure you get a measurement of your hand. Mine is a size 9. It is made out of ceramic coating. It is in black, but it also comes in white. This thing is a little bit on the bulky side compared to another ring that my girlfriend got me. So it is a more bulkier style ring, but of course it's using internal technology built into the ring, but it looks sick. If I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels really nice. It's not even heavy on the hand. It's got the nice amount of weight to it, so it's not going anywhere. Now, when it comes to unlocking the door, it's very simple. There's really nothing I can complain about. It works just as good as the key card, and it's actually kind of cool just being able to put your hand on the door and just use it as the unlocking way versus the key card. Now, of course, if you are using your phone or your Apple Watch to unlock the car, you can do that. If I'm being honest with you, you necessarily don't even need this kind of product, but I myself, if I'm being honest here, I've been using it for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and there are moments when I forget my phone. There are moments when I forget my watch, and I forget things that I have to use to open my Tesla. And having this as a backup is your best friend, because it not only does a phenomenal job of just being so simple. You just put your hand on the panel, it does it really well. And honestly, it's so easy to do, and I actually prefer this because it's more of a convenience. The fact that a ring can unlock your car is like some Green Lantern stuff right there. Now, of course, there is only one negative that I have with the key ring, and that is the positioning of it. Now, of course, you do have to put your hand in a specific placement of the panel, so you are going to have to be very mindful of where you're using it, and I do find it works on the driver's side easier than the passenger side. I don't know if it's just a safety thing or if maybe it's just a glitch, but I find that it works better for the driver's side versus the passenger side. But with that being said, though, it is a really fun product, and it's not even that expensive at all. Compared to something like the Tesla key fob, which I understand works with Bluetooth, and of course it is a wireless key fob itself, your phone is really your key. But if you don't have your phone as the key, then maybe consider picking this thing up. Because honestly, for those that are married, that have engagement rings, and you want something to spice it up to save that ring, this is a good option. And if you're someone that wants a stylish feel to it, this is the way to go. So I definitely recommend the Tesla key ring. And just to also quickly, if you're wondering, you do have to pair it. You put the ring right in the center of the console, and then of course you pair it with the car, and then that's it. There's no battery, nothing. So it works perfectly. So I absolutely recommend this product just for the convenience. If you forget your phone or your watch, or if you forget anything that opens your car, having something like this is actually very useful, especially if you like to wear rings. So I will leave a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself, guys. And remember, every time you use the promo codes that they give me to give you guys, not only are you getting a nice discount on the products, but you're also helping the channel in return. So I appreciate everybody that uses the promo codes. Check out the Test Studio's key ring. It's a phenomenal product, and honestly speaking, it elevates the experience. I'm not the Godfather, but kiss the ring that feeds the hand. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, you can hit the dislike button. Help circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a good day, and peace!